Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, back to me Aisyah Fitriani. In this video, top topic is discourse and conversation analysis. So, when you hear conversation, what do you think about conversation? Right, conversation is communication between one people and another people and many people. So yeah, conversation, but we just know conversation is just a communication between one people, but we don't know a conversation, where conversation from, and why conversation can happen in interaction between human and people. So this video we will discuss about this and definition, historical, and basic principle. So let's start from the definition. Conversation analysis is the study that conversation is organized and understood in everyday social interaction, and main focus is how participants take turn to speaking, respond to another's, and create shared meaning in orderly and predictable way. So conversation is the study that how we talk and give respond, and how we communication in interaction, in social interaction. So this is the conversation. Next is historical. The history of conversation based on developed on the 1960 um, 1960 century, and through the work of Harvey, Emmanuel, and Jefferson. They examine the social order emerges, the interaction everyday conversation by using the recording or real interaction. This theory or this approach demonstrate that conversation have a systematic structure, like turn taking and repair process, and then later become as fundamental basis for study in interaction, linguistics, and sociology. So conversation story start from 1960, where through the Harvey, Emmanuel, and Jefferson's soc- uh, philosophy or sociology are days, scientific of sociology. Next is basic principle. Basic principle of conversation analysis have 7. The first is driven data. Driven data is conversation using analysis of real data from the natural conversation, and invented the samples. So conversation using real data, real interaction. So next is sequential organization. Each speech appear with a sequential or context. So when we talk or when we speak, there's a sequential or context, and based on the context. Next is turn taking. Turn taking is the conversation is organized through the system of turn taking. It's mean participant know when to talk and when to stop, and know how to take turn naturally without the causing disorders. So this is turn taking. Next is agency fair. Agency fair is in speech many contain a type of utterance or speech like question and answer. When we talk, the listener or respondents can answer, can give question, and we will answer this question. So next is preference organization. Preference organization is a show tendency toward a certain of the type of speech, response type of responses. So as when we as listener, when we listen speakers speak or talk, after he talk, we can give a response, some response, and response consist of the agreement or disagreement. We can give a response positive or negative, or maybe critic. Next is fair process or praise mechanism. Mechanism is examine how participant repair communication problem without interpreting the speaker hidden intention. So participant can solve problem without hidden intention of the speakers. Next, the last is no assumption. No assumption is conversational analysis does not interpret the intention hidden speakers or motivation. This analyze based on the observable and audible, that rather than using research subjective. So not interpret the hidden speakers intention and motivation. This is just based on the audio and observable. So this is my understanding about this topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.